Hello everyone! We're back with more features packed into PortaSwitch maintenance release 1.16. Remember, every 7 weeks we bring you improvements that can change the way you do business. Are you ready to dive in and explore what's new? Let's go! The first on our list today is centralized phone number list management for call screening. Managing phone number lists for call screening just got a lot easier. We introduced centralized phone number list management that allows you to create and maintain a single list, like telemarketing numbers, for all customers. This saves a lot of administrative effort because every time you update the list, it is updated for all of your customers. For example, any customer can instantly block spam calls using a ready-made, up-to-date telemarketing numbers list in the call screening rules and keep their staff free from unnecessary interruptions. Next up is role-based access for resellers. Our second feature is all about improving reseller operations. Now, resellers can assign specific roles with tailored permissions, such as help desk or operations manager, to their team members. For instance, a help desk role will allow agents to view customer data, including invoices and payment history, and view call details to troubleshoot issues. However, they will not be able to issue refunds or change products. Once a team member is added to the portal with a specific role, they will receive login details via email, making it easy for them to access the portal. This feature gives resellers better control over who can access and manage different areas of the portal, enhancing both security and workflow efficiency. Number 3 is troubleshooting failed call attempts. Troubleshooting failed calls just got easier with the updated trace session tool, which now lets admins easily locate and investigate failed call attempts. This feature simplifies identifying issues, such as incorrect configuration of customer equipment that cause outbound calls from customers to fail. Previously, getting detailed information about such failed calls was difficult, as no XDRs are generated for such calls in Porta billing. However, with this update, admins can select a specific time interval, find detailed information on failed attempts during that period, and share a unique call ID for further investigation with colleagues or Porta support, streamlining the troubleshooting process. Our next enhancements are related to our web user interface. Fourth on our list is improved vendor connection clarity. We've made it simpler to analyze call flow and see the specific vendor connection through which a call came to PortaSwitch, or the outbound carrier to which the call is routed. Now, with improved clarity within the session details dialog, the Vendor XDR tab features clearer visuals and tooltips, such as full connection name and direction, either from vendor or to vendor, making it quicker to identify the specific connections. This allows admins to quickly determine whether issues lie within their system or with an external vendor when handling complex call flows, such as when a call to a customer's DID is received from outside vendor and then is forwarded to an external number. The fifth is quick access to call quality details. More improvements on the same panel. Monitoring call quality is now more convenient. By clicking the call quality icon in the XDR list, you can access detailed call quality information for a specific call, including specific measurements such as packet loss or overall rating. Plus, the call quality ratings are now visible in the session details dialog, making it easier for admins when checking the call details to see whether the overall call quality rating was good, fair, or poor. Number 6. Last but not least is enhanced notification template management. Finally, we've made configuring portable notification templates simpler and more intuitive. Do you send notifications like invoices overdue to your customers? Your admins can now view detailed descriptions for each variable used in email and SMS notifications, such as overdue balance. These descriptions make it easier for admins to understand which Porta billing data will populate each variable, ensuring clarity and helping them avoid mistakes. And that wraps up our overview of PortaSwitch MR 1.16. PortaSwitch maintenance release 116 is designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Drop your questions in the comments. If you found this video useful, give us a like and subscribe for more updates. We appreciate your support. See you in the next video!